You still think I went to your bar with an agenda? Well, I didn't. You can go now.
God damn it, Kenna.
We can't. It's just gonna make it so much worse.
I know. I'm sorry.
Just that?
Do you want back?
No, it's fine.
Come back soon.
If you insist.
You know you can buy more than one at a time.
I'm just working up the courage to ask you out.
There was before you. And there was during you. I never thought there would be an after you.
This court sentences you to 7 years incarceration.
Hopeless hallelujah.
Do you happen to be hiring?
No. We can't take folks with a record.
What's your trauma?
I can't get a job because I just got out of prison.
Shit, you win.
Yay me. The hell turned this bookstore into a bar?
I did.
Do you guys need help?
Do you know how to wash dishes?
7 years experience.
Okay, not gonna ask you to expand on that.
Hey, how'd you know I lived here?
I'm not here to see you. I need to see my daughter.
You're her. Go. Scotty was my best friend. When he died, we all came together to raise a little girl.
How dare she just show up?
If it wasn't for her, our son would still be alive.
Coming back was a mistake.
I want to meet the human that Scotty and I made. Why are you here? This is gonna make it so much worse. We can't.
Well, I just hope you do the right thing.
And what's the right thing?
I don't know. I just hope you do it.
We've all been wrong about her. You've taken the worst moment of her life and made it into who she is.
Do you hate me?
I've gone from hating you to wanting the whole world for you.
I should probably go.
You should probably stay.
Oh my love. I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary.